What's that serious look now?
Says I'm checking you out, Grandpa.
Hey. Hey. Oh!
You got your grandpa on the floor. How'd you do that, Missy? I don't know which is funnier.
Wow. You're gonna bounce.
She does with one foot, doesn't she?
Go, baby, go. Go, go, go. Yay. Keep them leggies going. Keep them going. Yeah.
It's like a little tap dancer.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. Uncle Polly and Aunt Lori knew exactly what they were doing.
Yeah, they did.
Good pick. That was a really good pick. Yay!
I'm tired. Let's look at her.
I know. Like she wears out. Wears herself out.